today we have Dun 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 Toy Story 4 Lego set. And it's 10767. It's Duke Caboom Stunt Show for ages 4 and up. It comes with 120 pieces. Do you want to build with me? Let's do it! It comes with an instruction menu, a plate, another plate, a bag number 1, bag number 2. Let's build. Comes with Woody, a new character that's named Duke Caboom, his motorcycle, 2 cars, a ramp with a ring around made of fire. This is Duke Caboom's bike ramp, and you can move it, a big fire or a small fire. And it's ramp, and then it jumps inside so it doesn't hit the fire. Here's Duke in his motorcycle. He can open his visors and close it. Here he has a scaredy face and a happy face. He has a cool red cape. And this is something that Woody can hold. And you can put on his hair too. This is Woody. He has a hat. He has a star right there. He has blue pants, yellow shirt, and brown boots. Howdy, partner. My name's Woody. Your favorite destiny. Yeehaw, cowboy. There's a snake in my boot. Can I get him? Sure. Howdy, partner. My name's Woody. Watch this, guys. Watch this, guys. Yes. Watch this, guys. Watch this, guys. Guys, I'm gonna set up a new stunt. Do you think he can make it? Yes or no? Oh, I didn't make it. Again! Good thing he knocked down. Yes! Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.